Hello. Today I will share with you 3 tips on cracking aptitude questions on ratios and proportions. Tip number 1. Express each element in the ratio as a fraction of the total for easy calculations. Let's look at a question. A sum of money is to be distributed among A, B, C, and D in the proportion of 2:5:4:3. If C gets rupees 2,000 more than D, what is B's share? The solution can be expressed in the following way. First, we find the sum of all the values mentioned in the proportion 2 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3, which equals 14. The fractions thus become A is equal to 2 upon 14 into T, where T is the total sum of money. B is equal to 5 upon 14 into T. C is equal to 4 upon 14 into T. And D is equal to 3 upon 14 into T. Now, the surplus between C and D can be expressed as C minus D is equal to 2,000. Here, we replace C and D with their fractional values and solve for T. 4 upon 14 into T minus 3 upon 14 into T is equal to 2,000. Thus, T is equal to 28,000. The total money with A, B, C, or D can be found by substituting T is equal to 28,000 into the equation as shown below for B. Herein, B is equal to 5 upon 14 into T, which gives the answer of rupees 10,000. Tip number 2. You can directly perform multiplication or division operations on ratio elements. Let's look at another question. Seats for mathematics, physics, and biology in a school are in the ratio 5:7:8. There is a proposal to increase these seats by 40%, 50%, and 75% respectively. What will be the ratio of increased seats? The solution can be expressed in the following way. The number of mathematics seats before proposal are 5 upon 20 into T, and after proposal are 5 upon 20 into T into 1.4. The number of physics seats before proposal are 7 upon 20 into T, and after proposal are 7 upon 20 into T into 1.5. The number of biology seats before the proposal are 8 upon 20 into T, and after proposal are 8 upon 20 into T into 1.75. The ratio thus after proposal becomes 5 upon 20 into T into 1.4 is to 7 upon 20 into T into 1.5 is to 8 upon 20 into T into 1.75, which is equal to 5 upon 20 into 1.4 is to 7 upon 20 into 1.5 is to 8 upon 20 into 1.75 after dividing by T, which is equal to 5 into 1.4 is to 7 into 1.5 is to 8 into 1.75 after multiplying by 20, which is equal to 7 is to 10.5 is to 14, and after dividing by 3.5, the final solution is 2 is to 3 is to 4. As a quick shortcut, we can also directly multiply the ratio elements to determine the new ratio. The ratio after proposal is equal to 5 into 1.4 is to 7 into 1.5 is to 8 into 1.75, which equals 2 is to 3 is to 4. Lastly, tip number 3. Ensure that the units for the numerator and denominator match across the equation. Let's take another question. Ken can walk 40 dogs in 8 hours. How many dogs can Ken walk in 12 hours? The solution is such that we assume that the number of dogs walked and the time taken are directly proportional. Number of dogs walked is directly proportional to the time taken. Number of dogs walked is equal to k into the time taken. K here is some constant. Number of dogs divided by time taken is equal to k. 40 upon 8 is equal to x upon 12, where x is the count of dogs walked in 12 hours. In the above equation, the numerator unit is dogs walked and the denominator unit is time taken. Ensure that units match to avoid errors. The solution is x is equal to 60 dogs.
The Learning Pundits content team has put in a lot of effort to make this video, and we hope you found it useful. Small gestures of encouragement from you keeps our motivation levels high so that we can continue producing free, high-quality educational videos. Please do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and Facebook page. We really appreciate your support.